Good morning. I didn't hook up a microphone, I'm so sorry, but I just want to see how the microphone sounds on my new camera. Hello everybody. It's been a little bit. Things are busy. I got a new girlfriend. I've been doing more work than usual. I've been very lazy. Those don't work very well together, but it is what it is. I made a bunch of money yesterday. I went to a queer prom. It was called the Take Two Redo for people that didn't enjoy their first prom because they felt discriminated against. It was a wonderful time, full of beautiful people, and yeah, I made like a bucket of money. It was awesome. Anyway, today Simba's very chatty. Today I'd like to talk about a game that I used to play with my daughter all the time. She had so much fun. It's on the arcade machine. It's got a trackball. You basically just roll the ball. It's bowling. I had 3 different versions of the same game, and I made one arcade accurate, so like hard to throw it straight. I made one super easy for when there's kids around because the rules are easy. You just throw the ball, but I made it so it's like less sensitive on the left and right, just so that, it's much easier. And I don't know which is which, but let's go play. Again, if the audio sucks, it's because the microphone built into the camera sucks. I actually don't expect it to sound great, but I need to know. I have many microphones, and in future I will connect them, but here we are. We're gonna play the tournament version. The camera's back further than usual, so you can see me touch the balls. Okay, it's very fast. So this is the difficult one. Look at that. Yeah. So good. Oh. Split. Nice. I'm really good at hitting it straight. Unfortunately, when I did the Spinal Tap numbers to 11 on the trackball, like it's the volume on the Marshall amp in the movie, I didn't stick the sticker on straight, so people think you aim for the line, but I know you just gotta square your shoulders up to the machine. Famous last words, though. Oh, good luck with this one. Can he do it? Hell no. It's a different kind of fail. See, I got all cocky in the beginning of the game. The magic's back. You've also got options to put a curve on the ball. I've never found that to be anything more than a way to end up in the gutter. I like how that spun right through, like physics decided they didn't exist today. Whoa! Strike! Oh, that wasn't the gutter ball anyway. I broke 100, which is much better than I normally do in real bowling. Yeah. But look, 790 on the high score for a different type of game. The game was great. I do love trackball games. I have a whole section on the arcade machine, obviously, for trackball games. Next week, let's play Shuffle Shot. It is like a shuffleboard thing, and I don't know if IT Technologies thinks that all Canadians are born on the East Coast, but the commentary is very fake Canadian, and let me tell you, it's about time you stop thinking we talk like that, you hoser.